The battles of tomorrow will not be fought with bullets and bombs alone. The real war will be fought in the invisible realm of electronic warfare, and those who master it will have an overwhelming advantage. Next-generation EW systems are designed to blind, jam, and disrupt enemy sensors, radars, and communications. They are the ultimate game-changer that can render even the most advanced weapons useless before they ever leave the ground. Think about it. If you're an enemy aircraft flying high above the battlefield, you rely on a sophisticated radar system to guide your every move. But what if that radar could be shut down in an instant? What if an entire fleet of enemy ships could be cut off from communication? What if the very weapons that they count on to protect them suddenly became useless? That's the power of next-gen EW. Using artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and adaptive frequency hopping, these systems can detect incoming threats in real time and instantly deploy countermeasures. Enemy aircraft could lose radar lock. Missile guidance could be thrown off course. An entire fleet could be cut off from communication, all without firing a single shot. It's like fighting with invisible weapons that strike at the speed of thought. Directed energy jammers are one type of next-gen EW system that's currently in development. These systems use powerful lasers and high-frequency beams to disrupt enemy communications and radar. Imagine a soldier on the battlefield who's trying to communicate with his squad using a handheld radio. Suddenly, the transmission is jammed and the soldier is cut off from his comrades, or a pilot in the cockpit of a fighter jet who's depending on radar to guide his every move. Without warning, the radar screen goes blank, and the pilot is lost in a cloud of confusion. It might seem like science fiction, but it's actually becoming a reality. Cyber electronic attacks are another form of next-gen EW that's being developed. These attacks target the electronic systems of enemy vehicles and equipment using cyber attacks and electromagnetic interference. Picture this: a convoy of enemy tanks rolling through hostile territory. Suddenly, their engines sputter and die, their weapons systems shut down, and their communications are cut off. It's like a scene from a futuristic war movie, but it's actually the future of warfare. Some next-gen EW systems even have the capability to disrupt satellites. This means that even if an enemy force tries to take out your EW systems on the ground or in the air, they won't be able to communicate with their own forces or guide their weapons accurately. In modern war, whoever controls the spectrum controls the fight. And these next-gen EW systems are the ultimate game-changers that can turn the tide of battle in an instant. They're the silent weapons that fight unseen and unknown, making it possible for smaller, less powerful militaries to take on much larger, more powerful enemies. The future of warfare has begun, and those who master these invisible weapons will have an overwhelming advantage.